Hi K2. So today I am going over day 10 of your lesson packet. Um, and we are going to be counting to 120. And I know you guys can all count to 100. So what we are going to do is we are going to be counting to find how many. So one trick that we have taught you guys in class is to put a mark on each ladybug as you count so that you know how many you count. I am going to be putting check marks on each ladybug as I count them. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I counted 13 ladybugs and I made sure that I put a check mark on each so that I know I counted it and I didn't miss any. So it says write the number. So we wrote number 13, and then to complete the number sentence it says there are 13 ladybugs. Okay, so for the next one I want you to try it and you to count how many fish there are. Do not be tricked by the turtles. We are only counting the fish. Okay, once you count how many fish, I want you guys to write the number, but remember, put an X or a slash, whatever you want to do, on each fish to make sure that you have counted it. For example 3, I want to go over the numbers here. Pay attention to the star. We have a star here, and we have a heart, and I highlighted them. And it says, what does the star stand for? Which means what number is shown behind the star? And what does the heart stand for? So if we count, we will see what number goes at the start. Let's count 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Oh, what comes after 36? That's right, 37. Okay, so the star must be 37. So if we look here, start at the beginning of the row with the star and count forward. So the star equals 37. Let's start here now. 51, 52, 53. That's right, 54, 55, 56. So the heart equals number 54. And we would write our numbers there. So the star was number 37. And the heart was number 54. Let's see if my 5, whoa, oh, 5, 4. Okay, and I want you guys to try the rest of them. I know you guys can try. Remember, use that technique. Start at the beginning of the row and count on to find out what each figure stands for.